أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
إن الذين كذبوا بآياتنا واستكبروا عنها لا تفتح لهم أبواب السماء ولا يدخلون الجنة حتى يلج الجمل في سم الخياط وكذلك نجزي المجرمين.
Those who reject our revelations and are too arrogant to uphold them, the doors of heaven will not be opened for them, nor will they enter paradise, until the camel passes through the eye of the needle. Thus we repay the guilty.
لهم من جهنم مهاد ومن فوقهم غواش وكذلك نجزي الظالمين.
For them is a couch of hell, and above them are sheets of fire. Thus we repay the wrongdoers.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
As for those who believe and do righteous works, we never burden any soul beyond its capacity. These are the inhabitants of the garden, abiding therein eternally.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل تجري من تحتهم الأنهار وقالوا الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله لقد جاءت رسل ربنا بالحق ونودوا أن تلكم الجنة أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون.
We will remove whatever rancor is in their hearts. Rivers will flow beneath them, and they will say, Praise be to Allah, who has guided us to this. Had Allah not guided us, we would never be guided. The messengers of our Lord did come with the truth. And it will be proclaimed to them, This is the garden you are made to inherit, on account of what you used to do.